Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy A41 and I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the battery drain. So at first you need to open the settings. Now scroll down to the battery and device care. Now select the first option, battery. As you can see here, we've got background usage limit, usage since last full charge, and power saving. You need to focus at first on usage since last full charge. Here tap view details. Here tap last 7 days, and as you can see we've got here no app usage. I do. You should see many applications here that you use the most, that you use less often, and you need to detect ones with the highest usage. Here probably you've got TikTok or any other game, or I don't know, it's actually up to your preferences. I don't know what applications you're using, but you know what I mean. If you are sure that you have been using this application for a long time, and it's normal for some applications to be used a lot of time, so leave it as it is. But if you were using some application a very short period of time, like I don't know, Messenger for example, tap it. Then you should see background usage and on-screen time usage. And if you see that this application is quite, battery either, and you see that it has mostly background usage than foreground usage, you need to go to the main screen of the settings. Here applications, but I need to find it because I've never seen something like this. Here apps, go to applications, and now here we've got your apps. Find this application in your apps section. Let's just assume that for me it's, I don't know, maybe let's go here, Chrome. Let's assume that my application is Chrome. Here, as you can see, I've got many things. You need to here tap battery and restrict the background usage. Of course, now your notifications will be delayed, or the application may not be working as expected, or you may get no notifications at all, but the battery drain will be fixed. Number 2, you probably don't have any bloatware on your device because this device was released actually a very long time ago, but you need to find any applications, and this list that we are here in this list that aren't yours, and these are, for example, games, just some garbage. Like for example, these applications from Samsung, these are not, these applications are of course certified ones, but if you find applications such as I don't know, Candy Crush and many others, these applications are probably pre-installed applications that you forgot to uninstall. So tap on these applications, tap on these applications, and find uninstall button. I don't know if I can find now uninstall button on any application in my phone here because I've got no application like that. But I've got Facebook. Here, okay, I can't uninstall Facebook. Here you should see uninstall button on the bottom of your screen. Just hit this button and do this with as many applications you wish and you think that these are bloatware. But of course, before uninstalling an application that you aren't sure, you need to search the internet and search the phrase, is this application a bloatware, or just is this application necessary on my phone, something like that. So this is the second thing. The third thing is located in the Play Store. And I know I told you to get rid of these applications, get rid of everything. I know, but we need to install one application that is actually connected with diagnosis of our battery. Let me at first connect to my Wi-Fi network because this phone is completely fresh. And let me log into my Play Store account. Okay, so once you're here, like I'm here in the Play Store, you need to open the search bar. Here in the search bar, search AccuBattery. Not battery, battery. It's this one. AccuBattery from Digibytes. Hit install button and wait a couple of seconds. Here in this application will diagnose any errors connected with the battery, like for example battery condition, usage, current, many things that are actually useful. And the rule in this application is actually quite easy. If you see any anything that are red, you need to just contact the device support, or maybe not device support, but you know, now when you don't have any warranty, certified service that you trust, and they will fix it for you. Here I've got calibration. You will need to wait, but as I said, you need to just check the readings and contact. Of course, if these are temporary, like these readings are temporary, you need to don't care about that, just feel free. Here tap this red thing at the top at first and tap open power optimization settings. Scroll down to the AccuBattery if you find it. AccuBattery. I don't really think that I will find it. I have no idea why. So let's tap open app settings. Here we need to open battery and tap unrestricted. Here let's go back to this application, and here I've got it. So tap charging, and while charging you can check for these things right here. These are these colored things that when you see they are red, it means that these things shouldn't be red. Here I've got battery wear, this is very important, charge speed, and here we've got discharging. This is more important actually than charging, because here I've got battery current, average battery usage, temperature and voltage. Here I've got everything green, and in normal usage everything should be either green or yellow, maybe from time to time, but really rarely red. Maybe not rarely, but a little bit often, but you know, they can't be all the time red. Like for example, temperature needs to be green or yellow all the time. Battery current sometimes depending on your usage. Voltage should be of course here also. When you see red, contact authorized service to have it fixed. Here everything should be checked. And health, the most important one, because we don't need history actually here at all. Health, the most important one. After, I don't know, a week or two, after using your phone normally, after charging, discharging, you should see here this chart. Here you can tap last year or all time or last quarter, and you should see a chart. This chart should tell you your battery health. If you see that it's very bad, like it's below 85% or below 80, you need to just have your battery replaced, because nothing will rescue this battery at all. So that should be it actually when it comes to this application. When it comes to your phone actually right now, what you can do apart from this application, apart from contacting the device support, you can go to the settings, you need to here scroll down to the battery and device care, and here as you can see in the top right corner you can see these three dots. Tap automation and make sure that you've got the first two options enabled, and the third one is actually optional, but of course here we've got power saving, and this will enable power saving when the power usage is too high. Here auto restart at set times needs to be enabled, because you don't need to remember about turning off and on your phone, but right now you can restart your phone normally. Power and the volume down button, restart and restart. This should completely fix their issue. If it didn't fix their issue, contact the device support so that they will diagnose it, because we can't do anything further. That's it. Hope it helped. Bye.